The Model Q is undoubtedly set to be Tesla's big milestone in 2025. Now, with its launch officially confirmed for the first half of the year, possibly in June, all speculation about its possible cancellation has finally been put to rest. This model promises to be the most stylish and efficient compact car in its price range. Although many know it as the Model 2, for now we can call it the Model Q. Initially, the price was expected to be around $225,000, but production challenges forced a significant change. The good news? The starting price is now expected to be around $30,000, and consumers will be able to choose between two distinct versions of this highly anticipated model. For years, the promise of an affordable Tesla has generated countless speculations and uncertainties. Ever since 2020, when Elon Musk announced the launch of a $25,000 mass-market car, many have been eager to see this innovation come to fruition. However, in recent months, a Reuters report titled "Tesla Abandons Affordable Car Plans Amid Fierce Chinese Competition" fueled rumors of a cancellation. In addition to the fierce competition from Chinese electric vehicles, many believe that Tesla had shelved the project to focus on other initiatives, such as the autonomous cybercab, robo-van, and humanoid robots. This situation disappointed many fans, especially those who cannot afford a Model 3 or Model Y. However, it seems that abandoning this project would have been a strategic mistake. In 2023, Tesla faced a significant drop in revenue, with a notable reduction in deliveries. Without a major turnaround, 2025 could be even more challenging. That is why the Model Q is finally back on track, with a launch confirmed for the first half of this year. Although Elon Musk has yet to announce an official date, leaks indicate that the launch will take place around June 2025. This information was reinforced by Travis Axelrod, Tesla's head of investor relations, during a conference call held by Deutsche Bank on December 5, 2024. Interestingly, the bank referred to the vehicle as the Model Q, although this name has not yet been officially confirmed by Tesla. According to reports, the design of the car will be that of a compact crossover with 4 seats. The minimalist style has been maintained to reduce production costs, without losing the essence of Tesla's iconic elements. A highlight will be the LED bar, similar to that of the Cybertruck, which will be present in the design. The vehicle is expected to be about 15% smaller and 30% lighter than the Model 3, measuring approximately 3,988 millimeters, about 157 inches. To give you an idea, the Model 3 is about 185 inches long, which makes the Model Q an extremely compact option, ideal for urban environments and places where parking is a real challenge. The interior will have space for at least 5 occupants, but will feature a simplified design to reduce costs. Features such as heated seats, an advanced ventilation system, a large number of speakers, or even large wheels can be minimized or removed. Despite a clear focus on economy, Tesla has always stood out in delivering a robust and innovative design, and the Model Q should be no different. The iconic LED bar is expected to be present, maintaining the futuristic visual pattern that fans of the brand love so much. When it comes to performance, it is important to keep in mind that a compact and affordable vehicle will not come with a huge or extremely powerful battery. Tesla should opt for a smaller battery pack, in line with the vehicle's reduced size, but without compromising autonomy. The expectation is that it will have a range similar to that of other models from the company. Additionally, the Model Q is expected to be offered in 2 distinct versions, giving consumers the option to choose the configuration that best suits their needs and budget. This launch could be Tesla's big win in regaining its place in the affordable electric vehicle market, and 2025 promises to be a pivotal year for the brand. The Model Q is set to revolutionize Tesla's vehicle lineup in 2025, bringing 2 exciting options: a single-motor, rear-wheel drive (RWD) version and a dual-motor, all-wheel drive (AWD) version, ideal for those seeking greater range. According to rumors, the AWD model could be equipped with a battery with a capacity between 53 kilowatt-hours and 75 kilowatt-hours, offering superior performance. The standard version promises a range of around 400 kilometers, approximately 250 miles, while the long-range variant can reach an impressive 500 kilometers, 300 miles. The battery used will be of the LFP, lithium iron phosphate, type, a more affordable and efficient alternative, especially suited to keeping costs low without compromising performance. One of the Model Q's greatest strengths will be its aerodynamic and lightweight design, factors that contribute significantly to maximizing energy efficiency. Tesla aims to launch this model for less than $30,000 after tax incentives, although the initial target of a price of $25,000 has been postponed due to production challenges, as the company does not yet have extensive experience in manufacturing low-cost vehicles. Still, compared to the Model 3, which costs around $42,000, the Model Q appears to be a much more affordable option. With RWD and AWD versions, a price difference is expected between the variants, with the most complete version reaching $35,000. In the Chinese market, where local brands such as BYD dominate, Tesla is expected to start sales at around 140,000 Chinese yuan, approximately $19,281, intensifying competition. Production of the Model Q will be integrated into existing lines, such as the Model Y and Model 3, allowing for a rapid scale-up of manufacturing. Production is expected to begin at 10,000 units per week at the Gigafactory in Texas, ensuring a launch in the second quarter of 2025. The car's development will be optimized through the use of a platform adapted from the Model 3 and Y, but with a more efficient manufacturing process, inspired by innovations from the Cybercab project. Tesla intends to apply an approach known as unboxing manufacturing, which uses 80% of the traditional platform, incorporating 10% of innovative improvements to optimize costs and speed up production. Initially, the focus will be on the Texas Gigafactory, but production is expected to expand quickly to other facilities, such as the Shanghai Gigafactory. One of Tesla's great selling points has always been its ability to surprise with unexpected innovations. Elon Musk is known for defying expectations and turning seemingly impossible ideas into reality. While many still view Tesla as a luxury car brand, the Model Q promises to break that perception by offering an affordable, quality electric vehicle. While Musk's official announcement is not expected until late 2024, more details are expected to be revealed in the first quarter of 2025. Until then, Tesla will continue to focus on maximizing sales of its current models, such as the Model 3 and Model Y, before paving the way for this new phase of the brand. From our perspective, the Model Q appears to be a faster-than-expected move on Tesla's part. The company seems to have understood that affordability remains one of the biggest obstacles to mass adoption of electric vehicles, especially in competitive markets such as China and the United States. Tesla's revenue decline in 2024 makes this reality even more evident. And to avoid an even more challenging 2025, the automaker needs to finally deliver the car that many consumers have been waiting for. Simply put, the launch of the Model Q could be the deciding factor that drives Tesla this year. With a launch scheduled for next year and an attractive price range, Tesla will face tough competition. Among the Model Q's main rivals are the Chevy Equinox EV, Kia Niro EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, Volkswagen ID.3, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. These models range in price from approximately $28,000 to $42,900, already considering tax credits for electric vehicles. The big question is, will the Model Q be able to lead this market? Much of this prediction comes from reports from Deutsche Bank and recent statements from Tesla's leadership. In addition to the Model Q, Elon Musk has already hinted at an even more ambitious project, a large SUV. Can you imagine a Tesla Cyber SUV with capacity for more than 8 passengers? It will be the perfect vehicle for large families. Tesla is currently working on a completely new model, part of a strategic development plan. Interestingly, almost nothing has been revealed about this mysterious project. At the end of November last year, Elon Musk surprised everyone by officially announcing that Tesla would launch a larger vehicle with the capacity to transport more people. However, do not confuse this new model with a robo-van, the Model X, or a possible 7-seater version of the Model Y. This new vehicle promises to shake up the market as the demand for a car with greater capacity is significant. Although the launch may happen later than expected, it will certainly make a big impact when it is finally presented. On a seemingly ordinary day, full of tweets and interactions on social media, Elon Musk responded in a surprising way to a user's question. Could Tesla develop a vehicle designed for large families? The user highlighted the current need for more spacious cars, which better serve growing families. Musk responded with a simple "okay," but this brief response sparked speculation. Many believe he was referring to the 20-seat robo-van, which had been announced in October. Shortly after, Musk clarified that the robo-van was indeed in development, but that other projects were also in the works, clearly suggesting that a new vehicle was in the works. Tesla's portfolio is currently known for its cutting-edge technology, remarkable performance, and modern design. However, the majority of the company's vehicles still focus on sedans, SUVs, and the futuristic Cybertruck. When it comes to catering to large families, Tesla currently offers only one model that is truly suitable, the Model X, which can be configured with 3 rows of seats, accommodating up to 7 passengers. However, the Model X has been on the market for some time without any significant updates and remains positioned in the premium segment, which makes it inaccessible to many families. Although the Model Y also has a 7-seat version, the space in the 3rd row is quite limited, making it impractical for large families or adult passengers. For large families or those who need more space for luggage, pets, or leisure equipment, both the Model X and Model Y leave a lot to be desired. This scenario represents a major challenge for Tesla, which needs to go beyond simply improving interior space and convenience. It needs to diversify its portfolio to serve a wider audience with different lifestyles and needs. Tesla has already given hints of what the future could hold, the robo-van. Although it still doesn't have an official name, its proposal is beginning to take shape. This vehicle would be ideal for transporting large groups, such as sports teams, up to 20 passengers, or even for cargo that would normally require a specialized service, such as U-Haul. However, this is a vision for the distant future. Elon Musk has already confirmed that the launch of the robo-van is still a long way off, and its success will depend heavily on the approval of regulations for autonomous driving. Now, imagine driving a gigantic robo-van with your family. It sounds kind of funny, doesn't it? And indeed, the current concept doesn't excite many Tesla enthusiasts, as the design hasn't yet met the public's expectations. For many consumers, the idea of an autonomous vehicle of this size sounds more like a Tesla bus than a practical family car. What the market really wants is a vehicle that's a bit larger than the Model X or Y, but more compact and practical than a robo-van. With that in mind, Elon Musk has revealed that Tesla is developing something completely new, aimed specifically at large families that need more than 7 seats. During a shareholder meeting in June, Musk confirmed that new products were in the works, although he didn't reveal any specific details. While there has been much speculation about a possible Tesla bus, it is unlikely that this will be the immediate focus. A more realistic bet would be a Tesla Cyber SUV, which would compete with models such as the Rivian R1S, Kia EV9, VW ID, Buzz, or even the Chevrolet Suburban. Another possibility would be an electric minivan from Tesla, an idea that also makes sense given the current market demands. Developing a cyber SUV would not require Musk to start from scratch. Tesla already has a solid manufacturing base, with a full lineup that includes sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, and heavy-duty vehicles. In addition, the Cybertruck production structure, known for being challenging due to the use of stainless steel, is already operating efficiently, reaching around 3,000 units produced per week. So why not build on this foundation to create a cyber SUV? This new vehicle could share the same chassis and engine as the Cybertruck, offering room for more than 8 passengers in comfort, as well as a significantly more spacious interior than the Model X. The design could also include lower seats, making it easier for the elderly to access, sliding doors to avoid hitting other cars, and generous dimensions, measuring about 200 inches long and 80 inches wide, without the side mirrors. Another differentiator would be the flexibility of the interior. The seats could be removable, rearranged, or even adaptable for camping, with modular accessories that would expand the cargo space. A good comparison would be the Chevrolet Suburban, known for its spacious interior and versatility, ideal for large families or those who need a lot of extra space. In our view, the Tesla Cyber SUV doesn't need to have extreme range or impressive acceleration. The real differentiator would be the affordable price. After Musk's statements, many consumers expect a price tag under $66,000, which is in line with the average budget of many buyers. While Tesla is widely recognized as the leader in the electric vehicle market, for the Cyber SUV to succeed, it will need to compete on price with rivals that already offer good performance and technology at more affordable prices. For example, the Chevrolet Suburban costs between $59,000 and $70,000. And if Tesla can maintain a competitive price point in that range, it could capture a new audience while also solidifying its position in the electric SUV market.